2018 was a busy year for the Department of Waste Resources, both at our landfills and our involvement in the Riverside County community. We'll start off at the landfills. Our channel improvement project at the Corona landfill was named Environmental Engineering Project of the Year at both the local and regional level by the American Society of Civil Engineers. At our other landfills, the focus was on customer service. Over 500,000 customers passed through our fee booth gates this year, and overall our landfills accepted 1.5 million tons of refuse in 2018. Meanwhile, our presence was felt across the county in other ways. In the community, the free services we provide were out in force. Our illegal dumping and graffiti abatement programs were doing their best to keep Riverside County beautiful. We also provided debris cleanup and hazardous waste removal for homeowners who were impacted by the Cranston Fire in Riverside County's mountain communities. On the subject of hazardous waste, our HHW collection events allowed residents to drop off paint, automotive products, electronic waste, and other items for free, not only at our permanent sites, but at temporary events at 17 different locations across the county, from Corona to Blythe. Speaking of free services, in 2018 our community cleanup program held nearly 3 dozen shred, tire collection, or community cleanup events in unincorporated areas of the county. These Saturday morning events always draw plenty of participation. In fact, this cleanup in Mead Valley featured 229 customers dropping off 846 tires and over 108 tons of material in just 4 hours. In October, a group of female engineering staff and supervisors from the department took part in the 2018 Gems Fest, hosting a recyclable skyscraper building contest for hundreds of middle school-aged girls who have an interest in the STEM field. Our community outreach efforts also found a home in local elementary schools in 2018, as 2 of our volunteers have become compost mentors at Jacob Wines and Ronald Reagan elementary schools. Volunteers help out in the school gardens and teach students all about the benefits of composting. Speaking of composting, 2018 also featured our Master Composters Certification Program, as a handful of dedicated volunteers attended a series of Saturday study sessions to learn everything there is to know about composting. Plus, they got hands-on experience in the whole composting process, from starting out with dried leaves and grass clippings to sifting finished compost. One of our biggest accomplishments in 2017 was the creation of our resource garden. Well, in 2018, we showed off the garden during the first ever Rifco Recycles Day on November 10th. The event was in conjunction with America Recycles Day. That message was felt throughout, with signs and games made out of reused materials. All in all, over 200 staff, volunteers, vendors, exhibitors, and attendees of all ages made Rifco Recycles Day a success. It was the perfect way to cap off a great 2018 for the Department of Waste Resources.